Why digital currency and why DCX Academy? Why DCX? Why digital currency? Because it's a great place to grow your money. Whatever money you have that you want to invest is a great place to grow it. And then why DCX Academy is because you have access to the greatest minds when it comes to what's going on with digital assets. Things change constantly. There's lots of updates all the time, lots of new things going on all the time. And unless you're a professional and you're in that all the time, you're just not going to be able to keep up. With the Academy, we have access to over 200 different plus educators, and they all brainstorm, they bring their best. And this is just an example of our schedule of the live DCX Academy every week, Sunday through Saturday. I'm just going to do a volume check here. Yeah, okay, good. We got volume. And this is the schedule right here for today and every Sunday through Saturday. This is the schedule. Look at this. This is a lot of content, and you can go on these live Zooms or whatever you want to call them. Ask them questions live. They respond to you live. This is an engaging academy. So this is so if you have any questions about it, message me, call me. I'll talk to you about it. If you want to go ahead and join, it's about $280 for the enrollment and about $185 a month. But if you refer 2 people, you get 4 weeks free. And then also too, if you like me, if you don't mind signing up or encouraging other people to add subscribers to your subscriber base, they have a compensation plan that's really generous. So plus, as a subscriber, you get access to these academies right here, just in the back office. Now, these are things that you can learn as you go along. This is the live schedule. Every week, they go on live and do these classes right here. Now, at your own pace, you can go through all these courses right here. And I'm just going to scan real fast. Look at all these courses. This is the exchange version. There's 2 different main categories, DCX Exchange and DCX Leveraged. It's 2 totally different categories. Just want to show you all the content that you get. Look at this, all this content. And you do it as you go. A lot of the teachers I've talked to recommend, if you're going to take on this journey, to consider giving yourself a year to a year and a half minimum to just get grounded. I've been doing this over 2 years, and it's just, and I feel like an infant in this area. There's so much to learn, but I'm learning there and I'm making progress, and you know, it's great, but it's more than you think. It's almost like a degree, whether it's an associate's degree, at least it's what it feels like. And so, and this is the class right here. Okay. So that's why digital currency, because it's a great place to grow your money, right? And then why DCX Academy? Because we have access to the greatest minds that's full-time in this industry, and they'll give you the latest things to consider, right? And then also too, I'm building, if I'm on Facebook and YouTube, this is my YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook and you do get on YouTube, consider coming over and subscribing. I put a lot of fitness content and finance content here. All right. So consider that. And any comments on Facebook, I can't see it live, but I'll catch it on the replay. So this is all what you get right here. So I just wanted to share that with you. And then also too, wanted to share with you just some notes I have. My YouTube content, my YouTube theme is fitness and finance. So my theme is health is wealth, because without our health is wealth. It doesn't matter what we have financially in this world. If we don't have our health, that's big. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. This is one thing I'm learning. You know, the saying used to be cash is king. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. So I'm going to make up a little jingle, coming up with a little jingle with this. But health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, credit is freedom. Think about that. That's my philosophy for this channel. I'm basing this off of Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow formula. Whether you're an employee or you're self-employed or you own a business or you have investments, whatever you do with your cash flow, that's our income. And he recommends that we put it into assets. What are assets? Assets are real estate, crypto, I feel like USD, gold, silver, and stocks. And there's other things. But that's kind of the formula. So why crypto? Digital assets is crypto, basically. I do have these assets, but this not updated, expanding that list. You know, there's thousands and thousands of digital currencies. That's the thing. It's really almost impossible to keep up with without all these teachers, right? But they really do help us. There's 4 basic trading strategies, and based on your personality, you're gonna gravitate probably towards one or more, right? So it just kind of depends on your personality. And so I'm not going to go over all these ones, but just consider that these are different trading strategies. And once you learn them, you learn what kind of personality you have, what you want to do, what your goals are. Then you can implement it based off your goals. That makes sense? These are 4 basic trading fears to be on the lookout for. Being wrong. You don't want to buy something and then the price goes in the opposite direction. We don't want to be wrong. We don't want to lose money. Nobody I've met likes to lose money. We don't want to miss out. Sometimes I get hit with that one sometimes. I would jump in too early because I don't want to miss out. And then we don't want to leave money on the table. Sometimes we take profits, and and that's what you want to do. But sometimes if we're concerned about leaving money on the table, that we don't take as much as maybe we should have. So these are 4 different trading fears to be on the lookout for. All right. And then I'm just going to leave us with just kind of a quick overview of where we're at with Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin and Ethereum. As a member of the Academy, we get a lot of different programs. Oh my gosh, they keep adding more and more value. It's awesome. But with the Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top 2 digital assets out of all thousands. They're the top 2. So I like to keep a close eye on those 2 because it does dictate a lot of what's going to happen in the rest of the market a lot of times. So this is where we're at with Bitcoin. These are the zones we're working right here. I'm gonna put my current time zone on. So it's about 5:30 Tucson Pacific Standard Time, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, last day of the month, the 30th. Okay. And this is Ethereum, right? So that's really exciting. I'm just learning a new program to help better trade Bitcoin with a program called Levels. I don't quite yet understand it yet, but these boxes right here, there are a lot of levels, but you can see it's exciting. It takes a skill. I haven't learned this skill yet. I have been working primarily with this system right here, but now I'm learning this system, and you can too. It's whatever you want to learn as part of the program, but it's really fascinating. There's lots of ways to go about this, and depending on your personality and your goals, that's what you will achieve. So why digital currency? Because it's a great place to grow your money. Whether you're just in dollar cost averaging or you're trading, whatever you're doing, you want to multiply. It's a great place to grow your money. And also too, why I Am Academy? Because there are a lot of, I meant to put this out. Let's see here. There are a lot of professionals that they're going to keep us, they're going to tell us what's going on. And that's the thing. So they really keep us educated. We have over 200 different educators in the Academy, and you can go live on their streams and learn from the best, the current. And the thing about digital currencies too, there's new things going on. Prices are moving all over the place. There's just a lot happening. And if you're aware of what's going on, you and your family can benefit. So that's the thing. So it's a great place to be. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. I'm looking to add subscribers, people like-minded who want to learn. We can collaborate together, be on the same team, work it together. And believe me, over the next year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, God willing, there's a lot going on in this area, and we can just grow together. So, and the thing is, it just can really help us grow the other areas of our lives. Like I have other goals that I'm working on, but this can also, the more money we make, we can build and do our other purposes that we have. So something to consider. So this is something to consider for you and your family in the future, because digital currency and blockchain technology and all this stuff, it's coming. I'm telling you, it's on the way, and it doesn't matter whether you believe in it or not, or don't like it or not, or not going to do it or not. It's coming. So the more you can be prepared, the better. And being around these type of professionals all the time, you're going to be so prepared. And it's not a lot of these YouTubers, you can learn from YouTube, but they have their own pay per click channels. You pay $99 a month or whatever, and it's just one person's. But we have more than that. We have over 200 different educators to learn from. So it's a great place to be. And if you're into building a subscriber base, you have a great opportunity to build a subscriber base with a generous compensation plan. So if you have any questions, please let me know about this. Send me a smoke signal, send me a message. Let's collaborate. Now is a good time to do it. If we just kind of look at the big picture, I just want to show you something real quick before we go. I'll just leave you with this. Bitcoin is the #1 digital asset, right? It's the #1 digital asset. And this is what it looks like over the last few years, right? So this is what it looks like over the last few years. And so here's where we are right now, right? So a lot of people, the thing is, well, it doesn't matter. Nobody knows where the price is going to go in the short term. It can go down or it can go up, combination. But the thing is where's it going to be? True question is, where's it going to be, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? That's the real big question. And all this day-to-day stuff's not going to be so as impactful. But even if it goes back to its previous high, like look at this, up in the 60,000s, that's like still huge. But some people say it could go up to 1 million. Some people say 500,000, 120,000, 300,000. We don't really know. But that's the thing is, it has a long. We have just yet begun. We have just yet begun this journey, and it's going to be exciting. Right now, we're sitting at about 29,000 for Bitcoin. It could go back down, and I don't mind that if it does go back down, because it's a chance to buy at cheaper prices. So personally, I don't mind that. I'm patient. But if you've already bought all that you're going to want to buy, you want it to go up from here, and I understand that. So, but we got to play the game that we're given, right? So we don't know where it's going to go, but this is what it looks like over the history. Look at this, right? But being involved with these characters right here, you're going to know what to do next. You're going to know how to go about it, and we're collaborating. You're going to know it's you don't see sometimes the story if you don't see the whole staircase, but you can see the next step or two. It's just like that. We can't see the whole next 10 years, what that's actually going to play out to be, but we can see the next move. This is the next move. Download this app, buy this thing, start putting into this, do this, and then it just kind of builds on for that. So I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you for your time and your energy. If you're interested in subscribing to the I Am Academy, but you have some questions, please let me know. If you're interested in just subscribing, click the link. It's all over the place. And just click DCX Academy. There's more than one academy. So it's DCX, Digital Currency Exchange. All right, so that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next lesson. Bye for now.